Good morning, students. So up to the last video I completed chapter 1, and in that video I shall be starting chapter 2, which is data representation. So what do you mean by data representation? So data representation means whenever we are talking about the digital world like computers, so the data and the quantities are represented in numbers. Yes, digits, numbers, and most of the uh, computer systems are having some number system to represent the quantities and digits, quantities and data into the digits. So the most common number systems to represent the data are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So first I will explain a brief about decimal number system. Decimal number system says that there are 10 digits from 0 to 9 are known as decimal number system. In that number system, all the digits are uh, represented by the base, and the base of that number system is 10. So for example, if a number is like 269, so 269 is a number represented in decimal number system. But how a number, that number can be explained as into the base, means base 10. What do you mean by base 10? So base 10 is working here like this. So already we know that 9 is here representing the unit digit, 6 is representing tens digit, and 2 is representing hundreds digit. So in the computer's language, that digit is representing the smallest value known as LSD, means least significant digit, and here 2 is representing the highest number, highest digit, like it is on the 100th place, so it is known as most significant digit, MSD, most significant digit. So the number can be expanded into the base form like this: 2, 6, and 9. And I already told you that the base of that decimal number system is 10. So 9 into 10, 6 into 10, and 2 into 10. And from starting LSD to MSD, we will assign the powers to the base. So the base is 10, power is 0. We will increase the power by 1. Now the power is 1. Again increase the power by 1, so the power is 2. Power is 2, and the addition. So it will give 10 raised to the power 0. 10 raised to the power 0 means 1. So 1 into 9 is 9, plus 10 raised to the power 1 means 10. So 10 into 6 is 60, plus 10 raised to the power 2 means 100. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200. So 269. So the number is expanded into the base form like this. So this is decimal number system, and you are very much aware of that number system, because from starting class nursery to class 10 up to the class 10th you have studied that number system. And now I am introducing the next number system, which is binary number system, as I already told in my previous videos, like when I was explaining language processor. I told that every program written in high level language or users language is being converted into the machine language, which is binary language. So binary language is a language having only two numbers, two digits. These are 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 are the binary digits, and the base of that number system is 2. Every number system in computer has its own base, so it is also known as base system. So it is base 10 system, it is base 2 system. So in base 2 system, every number is every digit in that number system, we will call every number as a digit, because that number system has only 2 digits, 0 and 1, known as binary digit. In short, we call it bit. B for binary, digit is ending of digit, so bit, bit means binary digit. So for example, if we have written 1001, so if it is a binary number system, or if the number is written in binary number system or in decimal number system, so unless and until the base is not specified, we cannot identify the number lies in which number system. So for that, base is essential for every number system. Until the base is not specified, we are in the situation that we cannot say that number belongs to which number system. So now I am considering the number is in binary number system, and we will expand that number system into binary form. So first, that digit is, I earlier told in decimal number system, digits are first digit is known as LSD, and in binary digits are known as bit. So it is LSB, least significant bit, and MSB, this one is most significant bit. The expansion in the base form I will be telling you later in the next in tomorrow's video. Now I will tell you about the octal number system. Okay, octal number system has a base of 8. Base of 8 means the number system consists of 8 unique digit symbols. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. As I already told, it is a system of base 8. So the base is 8. It is also a positional value system, like previous two. Position means LSB to MSB, these are increasing in the form of the weight, or you can say in position they are increasing from right to left, increasing the weight. Similarly, we are having another number system which is known as hexadecimal number system. The name says hexadecimal. Hex means 6, decimal means 10. 6 and 10 means 16. So it is a number system of base 16. So base 16 means it is having digit symbols from 0 to 9 and from letter A to E. So A, B, C, D, E. So base is 16 and the unique digit symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 digits, and further the symbols are A is denoting 10, B is denoting 11, C is denoting 12, D is denoting 13, E is denoting 14 and F is denoting 15. Why these letters are being used instead of using the digits 10 or the number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15? Because 10 is composed of two digits 0 and 1. So if I am writing something 10, so in decimal number system it is 10, but in hexadecimal number it is 10 or 10. It is confusing like this. If it is written like this, so if it is a 3-digit number or it is representing two significant digits. So for that, 2-digit number 10 is replaced by A. So if I am writing A2 and if I am writing 102, so 102 is a 3-digit number and A2 is a 2-digit hexadecimal number. So I hope today what I explained about the number systems, I just introduced the number system, and in the next video I will be telling you about how to convert something or some digits from decimal number system which we are familiar with to another number system, either binary, octal or hexadecimal. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.